So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Voltas Inverter AC and you are a new technician, or you are stuck somewhere outside in a village area and you are not able to find a technician and you have to uninstall the AC, then I will tell you a very easy way. So let's start the video. Before opening the AC, turn on the AC and let the outdoor unit turn on. After that, when the outdoor unit turns on, check the cooling of the AC properly and check whether there is gas in the AC or not. If the AC is cooling well, then it means that there is gas in your AC. Now let the AC remain on. Now open both the nuts on the side of the outdoor unit. Now tighten the thin discharge pipe with the number 5 alloy. Now after 1 minute, or when the compressor starts running at high speed, then after 40 seconds tighten the thick suction pipe with the number 5 alloy. Now turn off the AC from the main switch. After the AC is turned off, open the discharge and suction pipe with the help of a sly range tool. Now open the wiring cover attached to the side of the outdoor unit and open the indoor to outdoor supply wire with the help of a screwdriver and tighten the cover back. Now open all the 4 nuts and bolts attached to the outdoor bracket. When all the 4 nuts and bolts of the outdoor unit bracket are opened, then take down the outdoor unit. Now open the indoor to outdoor copper pipe nut with the help of 2 sly range tools and break the plaster of Paris on the back side of the indoor unit so that the indoor unit can be easily taken down. Now open the fastener of the outdoor unit bracket with the help of a sly range. Now pack the mouth of the copper pipe well with tape so that garbage or water does not go inside the pipe. Now open the lock at the bottom of the indoor unit and lift it up and take it out. If the lock at the bottom of the indoor unit does not open, then you will have to open the front cover, and after that, after opening the lock at the bottom, the indoor unit will come down. Now unscrew all the screws of the plate attached to the back of the indoor unit and take the plate down. Now gently band the pipe behind the indoor unit and cover the plate and wire of the indoor unit with tape, and also tape the valve of the outdoor unit properly so that water or garbage does not enter. Now the AC is completely uninstalled. I hope you liked my video. So please like my video and subscribe to the channel.